Listen, Joe, you're supposed to upload Fortnite every day. Well, soon we're gonna be going on the Xbox soon, so looks like I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go on the highway real quick, which I already am. See ya. Peace. What's that? That's what I got on my phone. Hang on. Ferrari F50. We got ourselves a barn find. So it looks like there's a brand new Forza, not Forza, shoot. Mostly I play Forza, but there is a car mechanic simulator update. I was just on a call with my brother. We did find some brakes. Oh, what? Ooh. Ooh, this is nice. Some of the rarest vehicles are here of paintings. Maybe that's my car right there, yo, is that the Ice Charger? There's a bunch of famous like Fast and Furious or like auto racing. Oh, shout out to this guy. We're gonna. So it looks like we have ourselves a barn, a car that we need to assemble here. And it turns out this is limited edition. This may be a new like car like dealership. Now we gotta find out where this next one is. That's cute. Well, that's what's shooting the fireworks. So limited museum. That's what it's called. All right, I'm gonna call an Uber right quick. We're gonna go slam down race style. I got a bunch of money I can spend around, right? Don't judge me. You know, I'm going like a low rider truck here, bro. You know, is that like the that's the unicorn one. I know that. Yay. Alright, that, and we're gonna put some race tires on there. Now she should be ready to run. Alright, let's get this Chevy on the road. So just like what he said today, there is a new update for car dealership tycoon. And maybe I should have not turned this van into a lowrider or street racer. Oh crap! Oh my gosh, I was nice. Alright, we basically just gotta keep speed running and finding these parts. There's another part. Oh! I thought that was another part. Was that some Tokyo Drift action right there? Alright, as you can see, it's around this area. That's a good area to hide at. Like, in the water will be such a good area. Except they never did. So I'm gonna have to get to the high ground. Got myself a lowrider truck. Maybe up there. Wall ride real quick. Mission failed, we'll get them next time. I feel like I gotta sneeze right now. I don't know why. Horsepower! No, dang it. I need more horses on this thing. I put as max horsepower on it as it can handle. Or you dang it. Oh, this is an easy area. Nah. What in the world? Alright. Here, I got an idea. It didn't work out. Yeah, we're gonna wall ride right here, boy. Oh, come on. I mean, that would have been a bad to the bone move, right? Imagine like wall riding a truck. I think I'm gonna be done screwing around like that, so I'm just gonna jump up. I'm actually gonna, my character might have fell. What is going, oh, there we go. Ding, ding, ding. Now let's get my slam down truck. Go, 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 go. It's more up the mountain, are you really kidding me? Oh no, it's not. I mean, oh, thank God. Thank God it wasn't. Now you have to check everywhere for this part. When I meant everywhere, when I meant up here. Alright, we got ourselves the side skirts, and we are being automatically teleported back to the Ferrari. Alright, looks like our stop is at the Doom race. At the end of the video, I'm gonna check out some of these cars. Corvette. Is that's Dom's Charger? When did they add that thing in? I mean, I didn't exactly play this when it came out. And if you guys could guess what car I'm gonna use to get to the next area, you guys gotta type in down below in the comments below what car am I gonna use to get there for the next ones. I need 15 parts, which I'll do some off camera. It will take a long time, by the way. If you guys can block, you are right. Cause it's a Fred horse. And you can't judge this unicorn. I mean, this is like the version 3 unicorn. Oh my gosh! This thing has so much horsepower. Why don't we put some more horsepower? Alright, we're just gonna install like so much horses. Oh my god, this thing's a rocket! First gear, we're already at that much speed! I think I might have just fall apart, yeah. We're gonna have to test this thing on a track. Can we just have like a randomly generated area for like street racing? Shout out to this annoying noob that won't stop doing that. I might have just done the funniest glitch in this game. Boom! We got our front tires. I'm gonna be AFK for a little bit, so I'm gonna go. Oh crap! The cops are here. Come on, come on, come on, horse. We gotta get out of here before the cops catch us. Go, 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 go. You might have just slammed it right into a wall. Nobody saw that. I think this might have way too much horse. Yeah, this has way too much horse. Run! Ah! Hang on, I gotta type in get in. Alright, I'm an Uber now. I'm just an Uber. Hey, noob. I thought the cops was coming after me. I'm gonna show. Oh my god, this has way too much horses under the hood. I might have overdone it. Hang on. Just send this man in the ocean. Whoa! Yippee! It's broken. Come on, you have like a lot of horses that you spin out in every turn. You don't have enough horses to get up one freaking hill. A few inches later. Alright, that was annoying. Oh, there's a body kit for this? Holy crap! Yo, we gotta turn this fan into like a racing GT, bro. Extra low. That's fine. Race upgrade. You guys saw nothing. Yo, that is so... This is gonna be the fastest Ford GT racer ever. Is that a muscle car engine? I mean, Ford GTs don't sound like this. Yeah, I might have just put like a whole V8 from like a Dodge Demon. Oh my god, this thing is a drifter. No way. Alright, we're gonna get over here. Don't tell me it's up the mountain, bro. I don't think it's down the drag strip. So I'm gonna look down here. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I might have just found it in like a couple of seconds later. Yeah, oh shoot. Yay, another... Shout out to Manic Max, because he's probably so confused how my GT got in here. Oh, it's got a V8 now. It's got no, that's a V10. Does it say what engine it has? No. I really like this like futuristic Bugatti. It's so cool. Alright, I'm gonna have to go AFK for like a long time, so see ya. Okay, I might have just speeded right by a Ford Crown Vic. We're gonna have to get off here. Yeah! I guess I don't have my wanted stars anymore. Oh my gosh! There's my area. Pretty nice. We're just gonna turn into a plane real quick and we're just gonna whee. This thing should be in like an ad. In the night, a Ford GT appears, speeding up and down the mountain, drifting all it can. Seems like this seems like a illegal street racing movie. Whoa! Alright, that is definitely like a hero like crash. That's kinda like a main character crash from like a movie. I mean like a flip like that is definitely a action movie crash. We're gonna forward the tires cause I know it has to be around here there. I'm gonna take the drift car, which is actually Formula Drift. I mean, if you can't tell, there you go, Formula Drift. Ken Black has his oh my gosh, not my game. Apparently it's in the water. Go, go, go. What you gotta do? Now where is this part, bruh? If anybody think the part that goes to a freaking Ferrari F50, you are dumb. I need to try to... Is it better now? I think it's a little better. Whoa, watch that! Apparently I got a big problem when I was driving, the Corvette crashed. Tow truck? Is there a tow truck around here or what? 'Cause I need one right now. Oh, it's the part all the way over there. We need a bandit, We're going for a Dodge Charger Red Eye. But with a bad to the bone upgraded engine. 58 more miles per hour. This is what you see in action movies, bro. Better than a Dodge Demon, than the new Dodge Demon. Turns out Dodge's new Demon is actually banned from drag racing, cause what people always say, quote, too fast, why can't we just have like one of the best, fastest muscle cars in drag racing? I mean, it's the best muscle car out here now. There's a bunch of weird people just typing in the chat. Shout out to Emma Draws and Astronaut for being weird. That was a weird shout out. I just got a car meet going on, bro. We got ourselves a car meet or what? Got ourselves is that an off-road Ferrari right there? There's like a Dodge. Yo, you wanna race? Yo, I got the red eye, bro. I got a red eye with more horsepower, bro. Yo, this is what I dreamed of. Alright, I'm gonna put it down. Shoot. Why is it laggy? It's so laggy. Shoot. I think my game's about to crash. Shoot. I mean, Go, 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 go. Top speed test, bro. You trash. You do got Garrett Aerodynamics, man. Oh, no, I'm not hitting that wall. See you later tonight. This thing turned into like a whole drift car. I might have just ran that guy's McLaren. Oh, bro, he's after me now. Yo, my dog Hudson here, bro. I'm the fabulous Hudson Hornet now. So this is like one of those action movies. Dodge chasing a Dodge. Oh, it's the Paw, bro. It's like a Dodge ad. Dodge, you're the boss. Taking in drag trips, muscle car racing, and more. Well, this is going to be some part of the Ferrari unlocking, so I'll catch you guys next time in the new video. And let's just admire the legend, Paul Walker's Toyota. I'm bored now. We're just gonna look at some more. There's the first hypercar Bugatti. Couple of police car. Lamborghini Venom, very classic. We got some Formula Drift up here. While I'm saying that, I think my game is lagging. Oh, I think the cars up here are like cars you can buy. So I bought this with Robux because it kind of resembled the unicorn. Yeah, all these other cars are actually limited. There's more, okay. This is today's, so this is basically the museum barn find. There's more that are being made. I wonder what it is. Let's go all the way back to the years and let's see the first one. Shout out to this car because it is now in Forza, but it's probably not unlocked. What in the world is this? Is this a Lamborghini or what? Anyways, we're just gonna admire the Formula Drift, unicorn. It is actually Formula Drift. I like calling it the unicorn V3 because it is basically it. I'm bored now.